Welcome to the Vintage Coach Geometric Top Turnlock bag tour. So this particular bag style number is 9043, and this bag you see in front of us was made in the US in 1998, and obviously you can also see that the color is red. So I'll go ahead and give you a 360 of the bag now. And before actually I do that, this particular bag has a little bit of a watermark here on the bottom, but it's not super noticeable. And then this is what the side of the bag looks like, and the hang tag. And then this is the other side, the other face, I guess the back, and then the side. And then this is what the handle looks like, and the top. And then I'll go ahead and open it, and it's got another flap here, and then that's what the inside looks like. And then I'll take this out and I'll be able to show you the creed. So here you can kind of see the creed on this bag. It's a little easier to show on camera, but that's what it looks like. The style number 9043, and it was made in the US. So it's also got this nice zip compartment here, so you could store something in here. It does have a little bit of pin marks on the inside, but you really can't see it. Obviously, it doesn't show on the outside. So there you go. That's a view of the bag. And also, of course, this is the type of bag that you would handle or carry by the top handle, and you would probably I think you could kind of loop it over your forearm, and I think that would probably be the most practical way of carrying it. It's a really nice bag. This is a somewhat more rare style, and of course the beautiful color. This bag does have, as you can see, a little bit of patina and spots throughout, but nothing too major. But anyway, if you want to see more of this bag, I'll go ahead and link it below, the Etsy listing. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.